Good morning, students. Today I discuss the topic mutual inductance between two arbitrary circuits. Suppose we have two circuits as shown in figure. The current I1 in circuit first will produce a magnetic flux. R12 is the separation between dl1 on circuit first to the point on the circuit 2. The flux associated with circuit 2 is phi 21 equal to surface integral B1 into ds2 or surface integral B1 into n cap ds2, where B1 is the magnetic field at a point on S2 due to a current I1. We know that divergence B1 or del dot B1 equal to 0 and B1 equal to curl A1 or del cross A1. Then A1 is defined as vector potential at circuit 2 due to a current in circuit first. Then the value of phi 21 is equal to surface integral del cross A1 into n cap ds2. Using the Stokes theorem, surface integral del cross A1 n cap ds2 is equal to line integral of A1 into dl2. हम जानते हैं कि किसी भी सरफेस इंटीग्रल को लाइन इंटीग्रल में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम किसका यूज़ करते हैं, स्टोक्स थ्योरम का। अब जो हमारे पास जो हमने स्टोक्स थ्योरम लगाया इसकी वैल्यू हम phi 21 में पुट कर देंगे। हेंस phi 21 इक्वल टू लाइन इंटीग्रल टू A1 इंटू dl2 बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक वेक्टर पोटेंशियल म्यू ज़ीरो I1 अपॉन 4 पाई लाइन इंटीग्रल dl1 अपॉन R12. R12 is the separation between dl1 on circuit first to the point on the circuit 2. पुट A1 की वैल्यू हम phi 21 में जब पुट करेंगे तो हमारे पास phi 21 इक्वल टू हो जाएगा सरफेस इंटीग्रल टू म्यू नॉट I1 अपॉन 4 पाई इंटू सरफेस इंटीग्रल 1 dl1 अपॉन R12 इंटू dl2 और phi 21 इक्वल टू म्यू ज़ीरो I1 अपॉन 4 पाई लाइन इंटीग्रल ऑफ 1 इंटू लाइन इंटीग्रल ऑफ 2 dl1 इंटू dl2 अपॉन R12. By the definition of mutual inductance, phi 21 इक्वल टू M21 इंटू I1 और phi 21 इक्वल टू M21 इंटू I1. अब यहाँ से जब इस इक्वेशन और इस इक्वेशन को हम कंपेयर करेंगे तो हमारे पास M21 इक्वल टू जो वैल्यू है वो हो जाएगी म्यू नॉट अपॉन 4 पाई line integral of 1 into line integral of 2 dl1 into dl2 upon r12, and this equation is represent the Newman equation. This integral is depends only on the circuit geometry. Proceeding in the same manner, phi 12 equal to m12 into I2 और m12 equal to म्यू नॉट अपॉन 4 पाई surface line integral of 2 into line integral of 1 dl2 into dl1 upon r21, where r12 is equal to r21 is simplify the separation between dl1 and dl2. Then the equation are identical, which means m12 equal to m21, and this principle is known as theorem of reciprocity. There is no distinction between M12 and M21. The mutual inductance M of any two circuits at a time of current flowing in one coil phi21 due to a current I1 in coil first and phi12 due to a current I2 in coil second. If there are current in two coils simultaneously, the magnetic flux linking in either coil will be the sum of two fluxes, which would exist separately because the law of superposition applies for magnetic field. Similarly, for the case of self-inductance, a single circuit is linked by its own flux. Then, by the definition of self-inductance, phi equal to mu naught I upon 4 pi line integral of 2 into line integral of 1 dl1 into dl2 upon r12. The self-inductance is defined as phi is always proportional to I or phi is equal to Li by the definition of self-inductance. Then compare the equation phi and this equation phi. Then value of L will be mu naught upon 4 pi line integral of 2 into line integral of 1 dl1 into dl2 upon r12. This is the principle of reciprocity and mutual inductance between two arbitrary circuits.